Do you know Dave Ramsey? Who exactly is he? Dave Ramsey is an author and well-known financial expert with the nationally syndicated radio show and other media outlets. Dave Ramsey is open about his approach to investing. He advises his followers to keep away from individual stocks and invest instead in mutual funds with a proven track record of success. You probably heard of him when we were searching about finance. In this video, we are not going to talk about the life of Dave Ramsey, but we are definitely going to talk about his advice for young people who want to get rich. Are you one of them? Do you want to be financially wise? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities, such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. Dave Ramsey has made a career helping those in need of financial guidance. Most of the listeners who call into his radio show attempt to pay off substantial debt. His counsel to them is actually quite straightforward. Is Dave Ramsey the person to help you sort things out if you struggle with your finances? Let's see about that. Here are Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps to increase your financial security. Number 1, start an emergency fund. Ramsey recommends that everyone should begin with a $1,000 emergency fund. It won't cover everything, but it will provide you with a safety net as you concentrate on what's most crucial, which is paying off your debt. The sudden emergence of necessary emergency expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or home repairs that push you further into debt is one of the leading causes of people's financial struggles. But if you anticipate these unexpected costs, you won't be caught off guard again. Thus, starting an emergency fund should be your very first step in organizing your finances. Put aside money for emergencies in a separate bank account until you have at least $1,000. This will be the initial deposit into your emergency fund, preventing unplanned but unavoidable expenses from pushing you into a debt trap. Number 2. Pay your debts using the snowball method. Use the snowball method to pay off your debt as quickly as possible. The snowball method, as Dave Ramsey calls it, entails starting with smaller debts and working your way up to the larger ones. Your car loan, credit card balances, and student loans are just a few examples of debts. Make a comprehensive list of your debts first, excluding your mortgage if you have a home. Then, arrange your list of debts in ascending order of debt amount, starting with the smallest. Then you pay off each debt one by one, starting with the smallest debts and moving up to the largest ones. Ramsey thinks people get into trouble by borrowing money. Even more extreme than that, he advises people to destroy all of their credit cards. You cannot accumulate credit card debt if you don't have a credit card. Ramsey maintains that you should pay everything in cash and that you cannot afford the item in question if you cannot do so. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now let's continue. Number 3. Finish up your emergency fund. According to Dave Ramsey, saving between 3 and 6 months' worth of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund is the third step. After you free up your mind and your life with debts, it's your turn to return to your emergency funds. Until your emergency fund has enough money to cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses and debt payments, you can use the same money you are using each month to pay off debts to put toward it. Then you'll be totally ready for anything. You are set for any possible turndown of events. This will not leave you in more debt. Number 4. Save for retirement. The Dave Ramsey plan's fourth step is to invest 15% of your household income in retirement. You are now free of debt, plus you already have emergency funds. You are all set, right? What should you do next? Here comes the saving for your retirement. You don't want to work all your life, right? Dave Ramsey advises allocating 15% of your gross monthly income to a retirement account each month. Take your monthly income and multiply it by 0.15 to get the amount you need to contribute to your retirement account each month. Number 5. Invest in college funds. Save for your children's college fund is the fifth step in Dave Ramsey's plan. One of the key components of staying debt-free as a young adult can be avoiding student loan debt. Your ability to pay for your child's college tuition will ensure their financial security in the future because they will be better able to avoid debt. Using a 529 college savings plan or an education savings account is advised by Dave Ramsey. Discuss opening these accounts for these particular uses with your bank or credit union. College fund debt is one of the reasons why some people are stuck in debt. Solve it now before facing it in the future. Number 6. Pay off your mortgage. Pay off your home early is the sixth step in this 7-step process. Spend every additional dollar you receive each month on your mortgage to complete early repayment. You won't have any debts at all once you complete this step. Instead of being consumed by sizable debts and payments, all your income will go to you. Number 7. Build wealth. Last but not the least, it's time to build wealth and give. A healthy emergency fund, retirement account, savings account, and college funds are all financial safety nets that should be kept and maintained. Your money is no longer in control of you. You are now in charge of it. You are capable of achieving financial freedom. With other financial gurus, you can really compare that Dave Ramsey is different. Do you know why? We didn't talk about investing in stocks. Yes. Dave Ramsey discourages investing in stocks because not everyone is ready to invest. Before you even consider investing, if you have $100,000 in student loan debt and no savings, it's useless. It would help if you concentrated on increasing your savings and eliminating your debt. It's essential to keep in mind that some of Ramsey's more specific suggestions have faced criticism. Experts also criticize his suggestion to stay away from credit cards. Although some individuals have trouble reining spending, credit cards are not inherently bad. A credit card can be very advantageous for responsible users. You can follow Dave Ramsey's advice or the other financial guru. Really, it all depends on you. The last straw lies in yourself and in how you manage your finances. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you think Dave Ramsey's advice is practical? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.